Ale, ale, ale. Ale, ale, ale. Ale, ale, ale. Ale, ale, ale. Though, congratulations to my team. Congratulations to them on winning the second La Liga title on a stretch. Two La Liga title back to back against Real Madrid. And this is the first time ever Barcelona win the La Liga title in an El Clasico match. So congratulations to my team, most especially the coach. We all know what happens to him in the early hours of today. We all know what happens to him. And he still managed himself in order to take care of this boy so that they can play this match and give him the winning, give us the happiness, give us a trophy. Ale, ale, ale. Ale, ale, ale. Ale, ale, ale. Ale, ale, ale.